tech YouTubers say the Realme C75 is super tough, but today we'll show you how it really performs by answering 6 simple questions. First off, can it play PUBG or Call of Duty very well? Yes, it can. The phone has Helio G92 Max chip. Games like PUBG or Call of Duty Mobile run smooth on medium or high settings. It's good for fun and even competitive gaming. Is 45 watts of wire charging fast? Yes, it's pretty fast. It charges from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. Not the fastest ever, but it's fast enough. Are there extra apps with the Realme UI 5.0? Well, not too many. The UI is better now. It's clean and easy to use. You might see a few hard to reinstalled apps, but it's not annoying. Does it have wireless charging? Nope. But it does support fast wire charging and reverse charging to charge other devices. For the price, it's still a good deal. Can I see the screen in sunlight? Of course, yes. The screen gets bright enough for most outdoor use. Text and images are clear. Can it survive rain or water? Yes, it has IP68/69 rating, so it can handle rain, splashes, or even short dips in water. But I advise you don't take it to salt water. So if you have any question about this phone, tell me in the comments, and if this video helped you, help me to hit the like and subscribe button for more simple tech video topics. This is KDN-Tech.